Alright, so we're going to replace the stabilizer link for this Mazda 3, and also the other side. So both sides we're going to replace, but they're the same procedure anyway. So once you get one out, it's the same thing on the other side. So let's do it. So here's the tools that you're gonna need: 5mm Allen key and 15mm of wrench. So same setup on the bottom, right? So once you unbolted it, you just simply to pull it, but watch out with this wire for the ABS, right? Don't stress this wire because you don't want to ruin your ABS, right? So just pull it like that and pull the bottom also. There you go, and come out. So here's the old one and the new one. So always compare your parts to verify if it's right parts, right? So let's put the new one in. Alright, here we are. So we put the new one. You gotta do the top part first, right? And don't forget the ABS cable. Like so. And then put the nut. Just enough to hold first, because we're gonna put the bottom end next, right here. There you go. So to tighten it up, same process, same wrench. Alright, there you go. You're done. Right? So the other side should be the same. So yeah. Thank you for watching.